So it's Sunday morning, and that means we're going to Goodwill. And they've been open for 13 minutes, which means there's probably nothing inside for us to look at. But we're going to go in anyway, so come on with us. All right, I'm going to start here at the hard things. I see something in the back. This heart is very cute. This, I think, is worth something, but it's got a chip. There you are. I'm gonna hold on to it just for a second. A lot of clocks here today. A lot of clocks. And pull that too. Okay. So here's some bags, and this is really sad because these are all little figurines, but they're broken. So I don't think I'm gonna bother with that because they're broken. Here's some doll heads. Amy could use those. And what else do I see? Here's some more little cute things in here, so I might take a peek at that bag. There's a little tea set. And all right, moving on. Okay, so a couple cute things. I did find something that's in my basket. I'm not going to show you just yet. Oh. Yeah, nah. I'll pass on that. This is Avon. Nice piece of milk glass. This is really interesting. I don't think it's anything wonderful, but I will take a look at that shortly. Huh. It's plastic. Go figure. Okay, let me take a look at that again. Okay, over to my favorite spot. The dishing ware, baking ware. What is that? Magnifying glass. Hold on. Billy, I think we need this. Check it out. Buddha.
Think so?
Yeah. That's a Buddha. Look at that. Kind Disney, Disney. Yes, I'll Disney all day long. Okay, we go over to the mugs and welcome back to Chrissy's Corner for Collectors and my small haul. I promise I've learned my lesson. I am not going to make these 34 minutes long, but I do tend to talk sometimes, so I'm doing my best. You saw some of the shop with me video. I had to stop filming because this precious little boy kept walking around me and doodling and doodling and making noise, and every time I moved away, he kept moving closer to me, and he was making more noise than the music was playing. So I stopped filming, and that was that. I'm a little flushed. It is very hot here in Arizona, and it's actually very humid today too. So we're hoping that a storm comes through. But let me show you some stuff that I got. I think overall we spent for the day, what do you say? $135 for the day. And we certainly will make that back for sure. We have no doubts. So let me start with a mug. Why not? The Crazy Dog Lady. Yes, it's not the Crazy Lamp Lady. It's the Crazy Dog Lady. And it's in gold, and it's in good condition, and again with the mugs. I don't know. People like mugs, so I don't know. I picked up this. I think it's a jeweler's maker. It's got these little clips. Oh, no, it's not. I just figured out what this is. This is to make fly lures for fly fishing. God, I amazed myself. That's what that's for. Okay, we got a whole box full for $18. There was 13 pieces of it. It's the Cape Cod collection of ruby ware, and they're in their boxes. And it was $18 for 13 pieces. I know that a lot of people are like, oh, big deal, Cape Cod. But some people do collect it. And it's actually pretty nice looking stuff. And I know it's Avon, but some people collect Avon. So get over it. So we got a whole box of that. That will double what we paid for that. I think it was $18 for, I said, the 13 pieces. Okay, I got these mid-century modern stove shakers because they're huge. They are brown. They have teal and cream. Nice little flower design. They're in great shape. They're clean. They have their stoppers, so those were nice. I got a cut glass trinket box. It is a butterfly. Great shape. Just something to have in a little girl's room. It's kind of sweet. So I got that. I got some black depression glass. Whoa, still one piece. Black depression glass. This is a shell. This is a little like vanity tray. It's not very deep. They're not marked that I could see, so I don't know who did them. And then this, I thought maybe it was an ashtray, but there's no little divots around the side, and it's split in two, so maybe nuts and candy. You do what you do, and you enjoy that. I've got a planter. It's USA, made in USA. Made in USA. I looked at this planter for probably 6 minutes. I looked at every spot on this planter, and I got it, and I bought it, and I brought it home. And guess what? There's a chip. But it's an old piece. It's a nice, heavy, sturdy piece. The chip is behind the dog, so you really don't see it. And there's some glaze slips on the bottom. They're not chips, they're just slips. But nice piece for $2.49. I'm okay with that. I got another Disney mug. This is Little Mermaid. It's hard to find this. It's in great shape. When I picked it up, I thought, oh shoot, there's a stain on the inside. Where is it? Can you see it? There. Oh shoot, there's a stain. Well, that's not a stain, it's a mermaid. You gotta look at it close, but it's a mermaid. So that was kind of neat. I got this Mickey mug, Mickey, Minnie, Pluto. I don't know. I can never figure him out. Just weird. I got some Star Wars figurines. I'm not going to show you those. I got some barware. We do well with barware. We like that. I got some engine oil protectant, because what else goes with swing glass vases than oil protectant? So speaking of that, look how cute and tiny this is. It's only got one finger. It's like a light green, has some water stains in it, so I will clean that out because I'm good at that. But it's so cute. One finger. And I can tell you which finger, if it was me, would be up in the air. Just saying. Some Homeco bunnies. I know it's past Easter, but they can hang around till Easter. Or I can put them up and you can buy them and you can have them in your house till Easter. And a glass. Blue and white is not flashed. It is glass with the coin. Like a teal. Well, it's not really teal. No, it's not. It's, I don't know. It's not robin egg. It's a little darker than that, but look at that big one. These are all like tiny and then the sides are big. No chips, no cracks. It's got a pontil on the bottom, so it's in nice shape. It's got to get cleaned out. Story of my life. Okay, and last thing that I'm going to show you is probably what we'll end up paying for just about everything here. And I saw them, I put them back down, and then my husband came and bought them, and I'm glad he picked them up. I don't know why I put them down. I don't know why. But they are ironwood, and they are heavy, and there are two. There is a female, and there is a male, and they are carved. They are not signed. They are wood. And they are ironwood because they are heavy. And they look like Eskimo dogs, I feel, anyway. So we probably will put these up for maybe $90 for the pair. And I think they need to go as a pair. I think they should. Okay. I did want to show you one of these. Oh, a brass bell. Dinner. Hope somebody's cooking because I'm not cooking. Okay, this is a 1876 Cape Cod collection wine goblet, fragrance candleette holder. So it's a tiny goblet that I guess you put a votive in. I don't know, but it's in its box. And there are 6 of those. Why does it say candleette holder with bayberry fragrance candle? Well, there's no candle in there. I don't know. Anything that says Cape Cod on it, though, I'm all about it. I'm just all about it. I'm gonna open one of these. Hurricane candle. Oh, we tried to open that and that was a disaster. Oh, how about a dessert bowl? Dessert bowl. In the box. with the original soap. They smell good, actually. Never been used. And the little soap dish. Very cute. I thought it was an egg carton at first. That's why I was laughing. I was like, who put an egg carton in there? Okay, well, anyway. So that's some of the stuff that we got at the Goodwill that I tried to show. Oh, one more thing, sorry. I wanted to show you these just because they're adorable. These are, it's a pitcher and a sugar bowl. Open sugar bowl, but look how tiny they are. They're just tiny. This is something that like, okay, so you're taking care of your mom at home or your dad and you're the caregiver and you go to bring them lunch and you give them their own little creamer and their own little sugar on their little tray. How cute is that? That's just adorable. Listen, they were $1.49 each. I don't even know if I'll get $5 for them, but they're just, or I'm keeping them. I don't know. So anyway, that's pretty much all I got. The other stuff I'm sure you're not that interested in seeing. I do want to tell you that I'm trying to work on a trivia game. And the trivia game is not a live show. It's not anything like that, but it is played live with each other in the community. So what you do is there is a app called Sporkle, and I'll put more information in on YouTube and on Instagram. So if you're watching me on both, you'll get the information. At a certain time during the week, I'll give you notice ahead of time. I will tell you to go ahead and sign in, and then it'll give it 15 minutes. So once you sign in, we're gonna give everybody at least 15 minutes to get in, okay? And then I'll send you the code that you put in to get into the trivia game. And then you'll see your name as you answer questions correctly. It'll move up and down, and you get to wager how many points on certain questions based on if you think you know the answer. It's a little bit hectic in the beginning to understand it, but it's a lot of fun. And I've been trying to come up with at least 25 vintage questions. And if we can get this to be a regular weekly thing, I'll start putting in questions about some of the YouTubers. Like maybe there'll be something about Mindy or Jeffrey or Jocelyn or Misty or Michelle. And so we can have some fun with that. And it doesn't take very long for the trivia. Once the 15 minutes are done, there's a final ranking that shows up who the winner is. I'll take a screenshot of that and I'll post it for everybody. So I'm working on that. So if you see something come up and you want to try it and it doesn't work out the first time, don't be worried about it, because nothing ever happens right for me the first time, ever. So that is an expected thing. So it will be tailored to vintage selling and resellers. And if you have some good questions that you have an answer to, send them to me, because each week I'd like to make a different trivia test that we go through. So that's all I have for you today. This is short. You're welcome. And I hope you like it. Leave a comment. Please leave a comment. If it's a nasty comment, I don't care. I'm not going to answer you. Don't worry about it. But really, leave a comment. If there's anything you see that you liked, send me a message. Usually this will go up online within 2 to 3 days, God willing. And yeah, I guess that's it. So thanks for watching, and more to come about that trivia game. Thanks, guys.